Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a text box to your slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website and start creating your slides. And after that you should tap on this insert button at the top on the left side, then go to the top again in the middle of the screen. You can find this text box icon, so tap on it and you can find this plus icon. So just simply create the text box of your preferences in terms of its size. You can also drag the corners and make it smaller and bigger. Tap on it and you can start typing in your text, as you can see. So at the top you can also add borders and outlines. You can select from the shape style options. You can fill it out with colors, add borders. You can arrange it within the screen. You can bring it to the front. And you have a bunch of other options. You can align it, rotate it. You can set the width and height of it too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.